Hey guys, welcome back. So today on this video, we are talking about Google Sheets, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you freeze a row in Google Sheets? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to freeze a row in Google Sheets anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you run an online business and one of your contractors needs you to provide a data set, but you need to freeze the row number one. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. So here I am in my Google Sheets. Check my video description. I'll try to leave all the written instructions there as well. But in order to freeze a row in Google Sheets, all you're going to do is go ahead and click on the row that you want to freeze. So we're going to choose row number one. And then what we're going to do is just right click, and then you're going to see this drop down menu. Once you see this drop down menu, you want to scroll down until you see this view more row actions. It's going to open up another menu, and you want to go ahead and click on this button, freeze up to row one. And once you do that, then this row is going to be frozen. Now, if you need to freeze more than one row, it's going to be basically the same thing. All you're going to do is go ahead and choose the rows that you want to go ahead and freeze. So for example, we'll do 12, and then I'm going to hold the shift button and then click on 6. And that way it highlights all of the different rows. And then you're going to go ahead and just scroll down until you see the same feature, view more row actions. And then you get to choose if you want to freeze up to row 4. And now you can see all of these rows are now frozen. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to freeze a row in Google Sheets, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.